Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we will talking about SORA 2. So a lot of people have been talking about SORA 2 lately, that super realistic AI video generator from OpenAI. It basically turns your text prompt into a full cinematic videos. But here's the thing, right now, not everyone can access it. You actually need an invite code and it's only available in certain countries. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to open SORA if even if it's not released in your region yet, and also how to get an invite code for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and then just go to sora.chatgpt.com like this. And then just log in using your OpenAI account, the same one that you use for ChatGPT. And then if you are lucky, you will get strike in. But if it say access not available in your country, don't worry, there's a workaround to fix country restrictions. The easiest way is to use a VPN. Just connect to a country where SORA is already available, like the US or the UK, and it doesn't matter which VPN app that you use, any of them will work. And if you are using your phone and you are not sure which free VPN is good, just check out the link in the description. I have put a short tutorial there that shows how to install a free and safe VPN step by step. Next, just let's talk about the invite code. This one a bit tricky because OpenAI doesn't give codes publicly, but there are still a few ways to find them. First option is to join the OpenAI Discord server like this. Like this. Sometimes people share invite codes in here, but you will have to be quick because they get taken really fast. And then second, you can look for codes on social media or online forums. Like for example, you can search on Reddit, on then X or Twitter, and then maybe TikTok like this. Just search for invite code SORA 2 like this. You will find a bunch of video and posts about the invite code, and even some people will share codes directly on screen and others will post them in comments. And it might take a few tries, but it's definitely worth to checking. And another method, if you are a ChatGPT Pro user, just open your ChatGPT and then use or activate your GPT agent, and then just type like this, find me a working SORA to invite code for today like this, and then just enter, and then ChatGPT will find you a fresh invite code. And here I can show this demo because I'm not using the pro plan, but if you have it, just give it a try. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get free access to SORA 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.